After learning the definition of alloys and exploring some examples, we will learn about the atoms in an alloy. How are the atoms organized in an alloy, and what is the characteristic of their organization? Again, an alloy is a mixture of two or more metals. It's hard and it's stronger than the pure metal. Consider this figure. It shows you the organization of atoms in an alloy. Notice that not all atoms have the same size. The atoms in dark blue are bigger than the atoms in light blue. Why is that? Can you think of any reason? Well, this organization is exactly what makes an alloy harder than a pure metal. When a force is applied to an alloy, the layers won't be distorted because not all of them are of the same size. This means that the greater force is required for layers to slide over each other. The alloy is harder and stronger than the pure metal. The layers can't slide to the right or left because of the difference in size, and an alloy is not easily broken down because the layers don't easily slide over each other. This figure here shows you the difference in size as well, with the white smaller than the green, and this figure also shows you the difference in size in alloys. So the atoms in an alloy have slightly different sizes. The size difference is what makes an alloy stronger and harder than pure metal.